In a few seconds, I will show you the craft product ideas that you can make and sell for making money or generate extra income. Why we love crafts to make and sell, and you should, too. Why we love crafts to make and sell, and you should, too. I would love to hear your comment or suggestion for creating the next video. Please give a thumb up, or subscribe to get 1. Crushed glass coasters. It's not possible for anyone to oppose a bunch of slick yet pragmatic liners in the home, and making squashed glass liners is a costly method to bring in some cash from your affection on getting shrewd. Crushed glass coasters tutorial. Decorative champagne flutes. Tidy up champagne glasses and sell your manifestations for a benefit. Add some radiance to a bunch of champagne woodwinds with sparkle and diamantes to make the ideal merry blessings. Three homemade candles. Making candles is a simple ability to realize, which, when dominated, can pull in a pleasant benefit. Individuals never tire from purchasing candles for their homes and as blessings, so buy some wax and get light making for a specialty that is simple and beneficial to make and sell. Four metal roses. Metal roses make impressive highlights in a home and are the ideal present for a friend or family member. Also, they're simple and modest to make, requiring minimal more than some salvaged material and point processor, pincers and well-being gear. Five American flag wall decor. Perhaps the most immortal and pursued artworks to make and sell for a benefit is American banner divider stylistic layout. One idiosyncratic creation to pull on individuals' enthusiastic soul would be paint the American banner of wooden bed sheets or fencing, overly modest, simple and beneficial.
Please subscribe, please like, thank you for watching.